couch to chair, flaps her wings up in the air. Out she goes, the window wide, zooming through the breeze with pride. Over flowers, trees so tall, she sings and squawks and sees it all. She spots a snack and swoops down fast. Crunchy crackers, gone so fast. Nibbles berries, pecks at pie, then wipes her beak and flutters high. Back at home,